it works. So you gotta check gas. This bait's been sitting all winter, and we're just gonna figure out what it needs and what it don't need. It's got gas. Come out over here. Gotta check the oil, so everything don't. It seems fine. It seems like you got plenty in there. Check the oil, just like you do it for your cars, because them pistons moving, and when they rub it up against each other, they'll wear out. So if you don't have that oil in there, they'll wear out. By the time 1 year use, it'll be messed up. Alright, what is it? Another one over here, and it seems like it's got like this. Plenty of oil in that. Everything looks good. Oil don't burn up or nothing. When we start it up, you don't want to start it slow. Just like your car uses antifreeze. Alright? Now when hand starts going up, you ain't got antifreeze, and it's burning up. So let's use water, like a boat motor. We'll start it up here, make sure she runs good. A little gas. There you go. That one works fine. It's starting to spin out water. It's got oil and everything in it. It's got some gas. It probably need to have more in it, but there you go. That's all you need to know to start up your pressure washer. Alright, we're going to start this dinner.